Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the goal and gathering assets so you can build with purpose. Start with one clear message and 3 takeaways. This guides every slide choice. Once done, pull logos, high-res images sized for 16:9, and your brand color palette. Next, pick a simple template with a consistent grid, 2 font sizes, and a single accent color to avoid visual clutter. These first actionable steps save time and keep the deck focused as you move into designing content. You now build the core slides using visual hierarchy and strict limits so your audience stays with you. Place a clear title, concise subtitle, and body text sized for legibility, titles around 24 to 32 points, and body 16 to 20. Visualize numbers with one chart per idea and simple icons to support, not replace, your talking points. Once you have drafts, prune text to 6 bullets or under 20 words per slide, and ensure every visual links back to your main message. You finish by rehearsing and exporting so delivery feels effortless. Run 3 practice passes to nail timing, tweak transitions, and add speaker cues. Measure slide time to match your talk. Then export a PDF for distribution and save a PPTX with embedded fonts for final edits. Finally, check contrast ratios, run spell check, and add accessibility labels to images. If something goes wrong, retrace the last change, restore the previous file version, and retest the rehearsal run to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.